So, welcome sa episode 2 ng ating online bot deal. So, nakabili tayo ng JBT B35. Ang gagawin natin ngayon is i-install natin ngayon dito sa ating Mio Fino 160cc. So, magsa-sound test din tayo. So, tara!
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon.
Pa-share ko lang yung set natin. 160cc Hachi big valve head. Ayan. Tapos naka-stock ignition coil. Tapos naka-12 inch cylinder part. So, yun yung set natin. Then, naka-JBT B35 tayo ngayon. So, ayan. So, ayan yung sound check ng JBT B35 adjustable. So, ayan. Ito yung pang-adjust niya. Ito. Ayan. Yan yung adjustable niya. Parang may 5 piso na iniikot. Kaya naging adjustable pipe siya. Alright, so no mic tayo ngayon. So may mga maririnig din kayong sounds dyan. So let's go! So ayan yung first sound